brake calipers. The zip one for 115 and the standard PIAGGIO. It makes pop. Yep, classic. Always take care of it. Don't jump away. A fancy schmancy caliper from SIP. Ooh, proper stuff. Optic tuning. Note 1, as SIP says in the shop, for perfect service or whatever. These brake pads are bigger than the original ones. Definitely. Let's quickly disassemble it to see if the seals are positioned correct and to measure the piston and the brake pads, that we can compare both of them. These are the pistons, how to get them out. Show you a trick where the opening is. You just put in compressed air and it makes pop and the piston comes out. Yep, classic. Always take care of it. Don't jump away. There we go. Brake calipers. The zip one for 115 and the standard PIAGGIO. I don't know the price of the PIAGGIO. That's a grimeca. I just know that the hengtong, which also has a bit bigger brake pads, is about 60-70 euros, so half price of this one. So what's the difference? Pistons are nearly the same size. I'm going to measure that later on. Brake pads, this one is a little bit bigger. The bleeding screw is sadly the same with the ball. Wait, let's zoom in. Bleeding screw, same with the ball, and this is also the same. I would have liked the splinter more. How about measuring that stuff?
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?